Isisa ko rin nga.
Baliktad! Ikaw yung naka-green!
Hindi ka nakuha.
I'm not into short guys.
Kaya shoutout po sa mga nakikilook up na dami ka natin dito sa studio. Look up!
Raisa, may special guest tayo ngayon.
Ay, sino? Papakita ko sa'yo. Sino? Ay, grabe naman! Kailangan mo buhatin! Si Baby!
Team Maybe Official, Maybe Official. Thank you po for passing by.
Thank you, Bim! Guys, should I leave? Ay, nakakaisot ako. Sorry po. Si Baby kasi. Ay, sana.
How to remove the
Nakalak pa yung mga ganun-ganun eh. Bago pa lang.
No filter.
Smooth. Ay kasi, ang dami kong
Okay lang yan. Your imperfections make you perfect.
Iyak ka talaga, Bim, ha? Naiyak ako, Bim.
Pinakayan na no.
Your imperfections make you perfect.
cute niyo po. Thank you. Team
Hindi
Riza.
ako filter. Walang makeup ha.
Wala ka ng makeup.
Wala na. I made it tanggal na.
Grabe, iba ka pala
May
sa
chance ba
person.
maging kayo?
Yeah,
Definitely. Definitely. No, we're just friends lang, maybe, you know.
Grabe,
I've known her for 13 years, syempre naman.
Hindi natin masabi ang panahon.
Yeah. We don't know what the future holds, kaya nga. May eyes.
Saan yung mata mo? Ay, oo nga. Ang galing.
Hello from Bulacan. Sarap naman ang pillow ko.
Ganyan ka pala, Bim, ba?
Wait. Yun! What?
Oo nga. Oo. Baby.
What? I'm tired. Definitely. Pillow.
Uy, yung
What? Ano yun?
tugod ka kay Kuya mo.
Boy lang yan. Yun!
Shout out po.
Hi, Bim. And I'm from Pampanga. Hug mo siya, Bim. Dapat siyang hiyakapin. Dapat siya. She should be the one to hug me. Give life lesson or wisdom you wanted to share. Ano lang? Life lesson, be yourself. Be yourself. Yeah. Kasi alam mo naman I've seen this industry since I was a kid, no? So, just don't pay them attention. Kasi, hindi naman sila ang importante. Ang importante ay kayo. You guys are the important ones. The one who truly love me and Raisa, you know.
Ano yung tulong mo to?
Oh, she's ignoring me, oh. 24K, 23K.
Tap nyo nga.
What's your fave thing about Raisa? Ano? Genuine.
Wow. Sister, are you okay?
Kasi Kasi alam mo naman, hindi madalas ang genuine, hindi karamihan ng genuine na tao sa isang buhay, no?
Bakit ang dami?
Welcome to the live nurse.
Chat, ang sweet mo na.
Thank you, Kuya.
Ayoko malambing.
Can you tell
Siya hindi.
Papa Chat to contact people?
I know, you're a good boy naman.
Papa Chat.
Naughty ka ba?
You're ignoring me.
Ano nga you're ignoring me?
You're ignoring me.
Lagi others.
I'm suplado na. Hindi mo ako nilalambing.
Say sorry, Kuya.
In my house.
Picture. Well, no, with your picture.
Mais mo kukulitin.
Nagbabasketball ko.
Oh, watch.
Bimbi, gawa ka na. Gamitin ko na lang TikTok ni Raisa. Para na. Mada Berkadso. Kamay ni Kuya at saka kami ni Raisa.
Grabe.
As nga. Swabe.
Rizzler ka ba? Alam mo yung Rizz Bim?
Yeah.
Riz.
I was born with it.
Rizzler. So proud.
I'm just joking. Siyempre, proud ate ko.
College.
Tsaka ganito, ano, come. Let's sit down. Yung ganito, alam mo sila mga team maybe ganito.
Kami kayong kapaan ni Kuya.
Ah?
Napala ko.
Ano?
What's right and
Ulo ko. You know this one. Let's count our shoulders. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Galing.
Yan ang natunan ko sa States.
You have a very, ano daw? Grabe. Sis, just tell me she's
Playing
anytime.
6. I'm gonna go 6. 5:30.
Sis,
She wants to go na, no?
ako din sis.
Parang gusto mo. Para ano.
Wala akong hair.
Aldab 2.0. Thank you very much. Sana. Bimbi, kindly tell your mom her fans are begging for a podcast. I will. Thank you very much. Mag 24 hours Jowa challenge kayo. Pwede. Let's see. Yeah, it's my house.
Where ka, Kuya?
Mukbang kayo. Sure.
Ay! Bangan.
Abangan.
1, 2, 3.
Kilometer.
Asan si Raisa? Raisa's
Oh,
there.
makeup challenge daw, Bim, oh. Kita makeup, Bim.
Lalaki ako.
Kaya nga challenge eh.
Okay. Fine. See, oh. Mga guys, no, ano. Just say yes lang. Just say yes lang. Ano, smooth na ang buhay. Just say yes.
4 apps.
FB10. Idol. Lodi Cakes. Alam mo yung Lodi Cakes?
You're my baby cakes.
Galing.
Ang corny ko, Team Maybe.
People tayo sa soul.
Di Raisa.
Yes.
Cute mo, no?
Face card.
Naging dolphin. Cutie. Wait. Paano, how do we, make it?
End na?
No. Make it switch. Ah, here. There.
Tago ka.
Okay. Wait lang ah. I have to look for something. Yun! Viewers can't hear because the microphone is... Huh? Huh? No. Ah!
Face card.
Face card. Face card ulit.
Ay, sa'yo nakatapat talaga yan. Did you text me na, Kuya?
Yeah. Tingin ko
Ayan. Kulitan lang.
Can you drive to East?
I need the jawline. Taba na ako. Bim, nag-lag ka.
Jawline yun yung nilalaro, di ba yung parang...
Jolen yun. Joline.
Ano ba? Ooh. Oh, bless.
Papa-check, you're so pocky. Isa pong Papa-check. Si Ay, kalita o si Papa-check.
Yung nilalaro, di ba yung parang...
Jolen yun. Joline.
Ano ba? Ooh. Oh, bless.
Papa-check, you're so pocky. Isa pong Papa-check. Si Ay, kalita o si Papa-check.
Ano, galit
Kalita ko.
na.
Papa-check yung kalita ko. Kalit.
Kinikilig ako. Ako din. Yung kamay. Bims, more vlog together with Rice. Shout out, Bim. Ako, conservative ako talaga. I don't like girls na papakita yung kung ano-ano.
Change photo, Kuya.
Oh, so, outfit ni Rice, okay. Conservative. Yan. Kasi kanina, naka-crop top siya kanina eh. Ayoko. I don't like it. I don't like seeing the,
Ay, abs ko kasi kita ka.
wala kang abs absent. Wala naman din. I don't have abs also. Eh, you don't need abs to be beautiful. Bimbi, sino first GF mo? Wala. No girlfriend since birth ko. Yeah, no girlfriend. Tsaka hindi pa,
23.
you need the right time, Ba't gusto mo conservative, Bim? I like, conservative because hindi ko lang type na, na pakita yung kung ano-ano, di ba? Gusto ko na... Ano lang, I like beautiful, not... Yeah, I like more beautiful than sex. Beautiful is better.
Pagkakalit na si Papa Chuck. Papa Chuck, pagkakalit ka na.
Suot niya po yung necklace. Yes! She's wearing it. Kita mo nga yung necklace.
Pretty. She pretty.
She's wearing the necklace.
Sino si Aurora daw? We're live, kuya eh.
Confiscate po airpad.
Super crush ka po ng sister ko. Oh, Raisa, may competition ka na. Madaming crush sa akin.
Baka nabig.
Pero syempre naman, one woman man. You know, which is my mama. Air supply, oh. Mag-on na kayo. Mag-on, oh. Naka-on yung ilaw.
Nice, ha?
Pa-shoutout from Sinait, Ilocos Sur. Ano communication ni Raisa if you don't have socials? Message. Phone number. She has a phone number also. Kasi ano eh, hindi ako mahilig sa mga DM, mga ganyan. Ako, cellphone lang. Yan lang kailangan. Gwapo mo, Bim. Thank you.